Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I will show you how to contour the nose to make it look taller, smaller, and more natural looking. Before I start, I just want to make a disclaimer that the steps I will show you is based on my experience as a makeup artist, and for me, this is the easiest way and technique on how to achieve the perfect nose contour. So first, I will highlight the bridge of my nose. Gagawa lang tayo ng straight line. So ayan guys, meron na tayong straight line. Ito yung magiging guide natin kung saan natin ilalagay yung contour dito sa tigkabilang gilid. So, i-contour ko na yung gilid. Follow lang natin yung straight line na nagawa natin para meron tayong guide. So, mas maganda kung manipis lang yung straight line na gagawin para ma-achieve yung mas maliit na nose effect. So, yan. Follow lang natin yung highlight na ginawa natin. And then dito, gagawa lang tayo ng parang pa-triangle. So, ayan. And then, itong line na to, i-connect lang natin dito sa ating eyebrows. Tapos, i-blend lang natin siya para mas maging mukhang natural. Yan. So, sa pag-blend, ganito lang. Paikot-ikot lang yung brush. Kita nyo ba yung difference? Ito yung part na na-blend ko. Ito yung part na hindi ko pa na-blend. So, mas natural yung itsura dito sa part na na-blend ko na. Yan. Paikot-ikot lang siya, besh. Para mawala yung harsh line. Ayan. After nyan, mag-a-add lang ako ng shimmer highlighter dito. Kailangan manipis na line lang din. Saka dito. So that's it for my nose contour tutorial video. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below for updates on my new upload. Thank you for watching!